In-N-Out. It's one of the few fast food chains that we actually like and think is reasonably good for the world. This is like a ballistic missile, a perfectly designed protein delivery system, and we like ours animal style. We tell you what that is, but we'd have to kill you. Actually, today we'll show you. Today we're making an In-N-Out double-double animal style. First we'll make our patties. We'll form our ground beef into balls and flatten them into shape. There are many forces at play in a properly made burger. You gotta have a decent bun to start with. Bun selection, very important. Good meat also, that would be nice. Non-limp, reasonably fresh greens and garnishes, also good. Cheese, you don't want fancy cheese. American cheese melts like a dream. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notified whenever we upload a video. Next we'll chop our onions. We're going animal style with these, obviously, so the key is in the onions. They're not caramelized, they're grilled. We've seen that most people making an In-N-Out animal style burger at home are caramelizing the onions. However, In-N-Out says they use grilled onions, so I'm not sure I understand that. Let's take a look at their website. Menu, not so secret menu, animal style. Let's see what it says. Burger of your choice, ours is a double-double, hand-leaf lettuce, tomato, a mustard cooked beef patty, the other defining characteristic of an animal style burger, pickle extra spread with grilled onions. Grilled onions. Let's take a look at the double-double since that's what we're making, see if there's any clues. What's on your double-double? Toasted buns, American cheese, 2 beef patties, and freshly sliced or grilled onions. Caramelized is not even an option anywhere on the website. If everyone thinks caramelized onions are the cat's meow, and if In-N-Out used caramelized onions, wouldn't they advertise that as the ingredient? Why is everyone caramelizing the onions? I get if you just like them, but we're trying to recreate the actual burger, right? Let me know in the comments if you have any ideas. It says grilled onions. We're gonna go with grilled onions then. Into an oiled pan, we'll add our onions. We'll let those cook for a few minutes on high heat until they start to brown a little on the edges and become a little translucent. Don't forget to subscribe. We cook and bake a lot. We'll be uploading videos weekly, so make sure to hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Now time to cook our patties. We butter the pan and toss in our 2 patties, salted and peppered to taste. The process is simple. Sear the patty on one side, spread some mustard on it as it sizzles, flip the patty over so that the mustard cooks into the second side. We don't make it unless it's delicious. Now we'll add our mustard on top of the burger. This is a crucial part of an animal style burger. If you don't do this, you're not making an animal style burger. Slathering the patty with yellow mustard while it's cooking is key. It's what makes an animal style burger so good. After about 3 minutes of cooking, we'll flip over our patties. Legend has it that the name came from the rowdy surfer and skater kids that would hang out at the original In-N-Out in Baldwin Park, California in the 1960s. The employees referred to them as animals because of their raucous behavior. In-N-Out employees are notoriously clean cut. And after they started ordering mustard grilled burgers with grilled onions, spread and pickles, that sandwich took on their name, the animal style burger. The patties are mustard grilled and covered with cheese, then the grilled onions are applied liberally to a single patty before topping it with the second patty, fusing all the elements together into a single cheesy, beefy, oniony, gooey, salty, oozy, crispy, meaty, savory, melty, delicious mess. Add on some more mustard. You're an animal! American food doesn't get much better than this. This is super easy to make. Then on goes our cheese. No fancy cheese. Use American cheese. This is one of Bourdain's burger rules. We'll have a video on Bourdain's burger rules in our season of Cooking Bourdain. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Okay, our burgers are about done. We'll set those to the side and let them rest. The cheese will continue melting off the flame. Now on to our buns. We'll butter and toast our potato bread burger buns. I like brioche buns for breakfast, not for a burger. No fancy buns. They tend to be too greasy and crumble toward the end. The bun is meant to deliver the meat, which is the star of the show. The bun should not make the burger more difficult to eat, and they should not be larger than the burger itself. Their job, and only job, is to deliver the protein to your mouth, and they should have the stamina to remain intact to the last bite. Use potato bread. This is another Bourdain burger rule. Now for our sauce. The secret sauce, or spread, is, well, secret, so everyone has their own version. There are 3 things to keep in mind for a fantastic secret sauce. Chopped up crunchy dill pickles from the refrigerated section at the supermarket. Not pickle relish. Nothing neon green on a shelf at all. There's a time and place for pickle relish. It's called hot dogs. Pickle relish has no place in a good secret sauce. Mayo, mustard, and ketchup must be combined in perfect balance, that is, equal parts. Depending on taste, you can add a bit more of any. Add the chopped pickles and stir together. Mustard choice is up to you, but no honey mustard. In fact, any mustard with extra sweetness should be avoided. The point here is to get a tangy bite in your sauce without an overwhelming mustard flavor. If you want more extreme mustard flavor, put extra mustard on your burger, smart guy. And then the secret ingredient. Splash a little soy sauce in for salt and umami goodness. Some people might tell you it's crazy or gross, or that these things don't have any business being together. Follow your heart. They do belong together. Beautiful. Let's build our burger. Sauce on the bottom bun. Although not too hard to imitate, it has even caused the culinary grad director of food at one major website to give up and just make Chick-fil-A sauce instead. I'm not sure what that says about culinary school. Iceberg lettuce to protect the bun. Slice of tomato. Patty number 1. Grilled onions. Patty number 2. Some more sauce. Your top bun. And you are unofficially, officially animal style. Feast your eyes on that. You're an animal! Be sure to check out our growing collection of videos on our channel and see the link to our most recent video and a video recommended just for you at the end of this video. Try this recipe at home. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Do you like it? Is it delicious? We told you so. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell so you get notified whenever we upload a video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the kitchen next time. And remember, we don't make it unless it's delicious.